Good evening. Boy, oh boy. Coffee. I gotta take some coffee. Oh fuck! What did I just do? What? Oh, okay. Okay, I got you. Let me go make some more coffee. Alright. Yeah, the fear, man. Cold. This thing keeps going. Sure. I'm like shivering right now because my window's open. I'm like, I'm shivering over here. So, here we go. He's held for a little bit. He's held for a little bit. Look at that. Just I'm whispering. You put your headphones on if you want to hear me. There's people sleeping, so I ain't gonna be sitting here yelling at you. I don't see a yellow X on the 45 minute. Oh man. I shouldn't have taken profits. Damn. No, I wish I was in a bigger trade. But I sold my Bitcoin. You know, I'm not a holder. If I see a confident move, man, macro, like I don't hold. Damn, man. Seven, and this one's already here. So this is the unlog spider line. This is log spider line. My lord, look at these beautiful, beautiful double blood diamonds. Double blood diamond. We took some profit right here, baby. Exited right at this line. It could bust right through, but there's a fucking possibility that it has a little bounce. Is that better? Entry was 52078. Off the 30-minute. This is not a sign of well, this I don't know if this is gonna bounce here or continue through. To me, it's 50-50. It's a coin flip. So I closed half my position. We have a yellow fucking X, a red dot, decreasing money flow, strong cases for the downside, but the yellow X and the spider line, just like this one, it could bounce a little bit off. So I closed half of my trade. And I know it's small. Compared to what we're used to. I'm not trying to sound like a douche. Let me go grab my coffee. Okay. Had to be a little patient for this one. Really had to trust the indicator on this one. And it ain't easy. And what do you know? Look right where it stops. Folks, what are the chances? What are the chances? You cannot say that spider lines are just random lines and I'm fucking lucky. It's not random. It's real. It's not random. Look at this. Look. Ting. It's real. Both. Both matter. Unlogged and logged. I will not long anything unless I see confirmations that it would be reversing. And then it would depend on that time frame. Man, what a man. Let's take a look. It's only been at 20% since March. It's been slow. I think this is bad, man. This is bad. It's the slow falls that are bad signs. You know, when it's pumping in a bull market and it goes boom, a flash dump, and it's like, oh, okay, no big deal, yeah. But when there is a slow, that's not good. It's scary. Now, I'm not sitting here saying it's the end, but it's a little scary. The daily doesn't really show that to me, actually. Doesn't the daily is I've seen much worse. It ain't curving yet, that's for damn sure though. But this daily to me isn't screaming that there's a lot more to go. It's definitely still open, but the lower time frames are scarier. I took half profit right at the spider line. They gonna fight. It's 52.07. This play was made off mostly the 30-minute, 20-minute, 25-minute. This one. We were coming up against the spider line. Here, what did I say to my whale crew? Let me pull up my whale crew. Very tight tree wave to the downside on the 25-min and the 30-min. 1 2-hour short clip to the upside. So I think it's going to be a fight, and this is a resistance test. My guess is the resistance will win. Resistance meaning the resistance I'm talking about, the spider line. Because it already pushed once, and it rejected. It was coming up again, and this was where the play began. Once we saw this come up, it doesn't look like a log. Look. Double spider lines. So what did we say earlier today? Earlier today, we said that this is the double spider line. This is 2 spider lines. It makes strong support, but strong resistance. Reject. Reject. Sayonara. this line. Awesome, Jason. I'm glad you feel that way. I'm glad you're doing good. Either because we're looking at a different exchange, or different candles, or both. For example, on the Coinbase 2-hour BTC to USD standard candles, yellow X, Ikenashi, just one. Me and Billy should collab so I have someone to talk to. Someone tell Billy to join me so we can both stream our streams together. Let me message him. We're gonna do some market cipher. Actually, hang on. Let me see if I can get Billy on the line first. You gotta put headphones on. My microphone cannot get any louder, and I'm not gonna talk any louder. Tell Billy if we stream together right now, we'll give away some market ciphers. I have 4 or 5 market ciphers to give away, but Billy needs to be with me. Thank you, Fabio.
Face's stream? What do you guys think? How could I say no? Alright, let's do it. Let's do it, Crypto Face.
Yo,
Yo.
yo,
Yo.
what's happening?
Well, I guess I'm short. And I guess you are too, right?
Yeah,
That's cool, man.
yeah,
Cool. A good time to be short, I suppose.
yeah, man. I had to be patient with this one. I had to be a little patient, but the double spider lines, bro, was to be honest, I know sometimes I talk a little shit about people that live and die by support and resistance, and that's all they trade by, which is it's okay, it's okay. But this one, bro, on the double spider line, on the log spider lines, it rejected once, and we had a red dot appear, and I knew, I was like, dude, if this starts to reject again, I gotta take it. I gotta shoot my shot.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, I love support and resistance, and I was actually long. I was long. I was trying to get the bounce off of that daily support at like 51.6-ish, but I should have taken profit when I was in profit. I was asleep, and I was actually working out when I got stopped out, and it happens, man.
Yeah. Yeah, man. So, what are you thinking now?
Well, you know, personally, I'm just taking this like level to level. I'm looking at Market Cipher. That's what I love about Market Cipher. It's like when you get to these levels, and you know, I'm not on your spider line level. Speaking of levels, I'm
Yeah,
not
you
on the
don't use
crypto
you don't
face
re- you don't
spider
really
line level,
use the spider, just like you use the wolf pack.
bro.
I almost didn't.
Yeah,
want to
man.
Say, I almost didn't say it.
I know. I'm sorry. I made you
No,
have
I
to
don't
say
care.
that.
It's all
Bro.
good. It's all
I'm
good.
sorry, man.
No, let's do
Please
that too.
forgive me.
I don't give a shit, dude. You use any fucking
Please forgive me,
indicator.
bro.
Use whatever indicator works
I've
for you.
offended
And,
crypto face, man. What am I gonna do now?
mm,
Yeah, I mean, I want to get on your spider line level. I really do, but I've watched the video and it still doesn't compute for me. But I need to just take the time and really learn how to do it. I do.
it's you know, you overthink it. That's what it's just. It's all it is. It's just they're just trend lines, and since we're in a space that's undiscovered, whatever trend line is there, it's gonna stick to because there's nothing else there. You know what I'm saying? So
Yeah,
that's all it is. They're just fucking trend lines. We're in space.
yeah. I guess you're right, man. I mean, that makes a lot of sense. I mean, I've had a lot of success, not as much as you, so obviously it
Please
doesn't really
don't
matter.
say things like that. Come on, just say what you want to say. I hate when people, you know what I'm saying? But go ahead. Go ahead.
Yeah, bro. You know, just using like daily and weekly support and resistance levels, and just trading it level to level, looking at Market Cipher for confluence. You know, I mean, like I've been saying, you know, in my TA videos for weeks, like if we lose, you know, 53.7, 53.8, we're going down to 51.6, and my next target right now is 49, around there.
Your
Then
next
after
target's
that,
in
it'd
the
be like,
49 area?
yeah, that's where I'm. I mean, if this is really going to keep coming down,
Yep.
that's where I think it will go.
So right now, um, on my spider lines, we stopped dead dollar at a spider line at 50,500, and then the next one down is 49,000 like 700 area. So yeah, man, I closed half my short at the spider line because I figured, okay, it might bounce, might not, but it was 50-50, which we're going through right now, right? It's fighting right now. Um,
Yeah, I see that there. I'm actually watching your stream now. Man, I
yeah,
should just watch your streams and then copy your TA.
no, come on now, Billy, come on, Billy.
Wow,
Um,
look at that, man.
Bro, look at these blood diamonds, dual blood diamonds.
Yeah, that's
Um, this
that's
is
nuts.
the unlog. This is the log. The log is the one that has dual spider lines, and these were important not so long ago. Um, earlier this month, right? Let me zoom in here. So earlier this month, strong resistance, strong resistance. Um, it's really played as more of resistance than support, as far as history goes. These two just have acted like, look, like bow, 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 finally broke through, came through. It's really these double spider lines haven't been supportive lines. They've been resistant lines. Um,
Hmm. Interesting, man.
yeah.
And you literally do this by taking highs and just connecting them from the previous bull run and then just projecting them into the future.
You want me to show you real quick?
Yeah, man. If you
Well, it's
feel
too
like
bad,
it.
because I don't feel like it.
Okay, that's
I'm
fine,
just
man.
kidding. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. I tell you what. Let's give away a fucking market. Let's give away a market cipher 5-month to one of your viewers first. Now it's up to you. I'm gonna give you the code. It's up to
Oh,
you
sweet,
how
man.
you want to give it away to your people. Well, you know what I'm saying. So how do you normally do that shit?
Usually, I make people post a video of their max deadlift, and whoever deadlifts the most gets market cipher. So I hope there's some jacked people out there.
Okay. Well,
I might
you're more
change
of
it
a
up though.
Chad than
I
me.
might
That's
do
like
a
Giga
random.
Chad status.
I might do more of a random comment giveaway though. It's
Okay.
kind of the same
Well,
thing.
it's got to be, something where, like, you can get it done within like 10 minutes if you want someone to hurry up and comment on one of your videos. You want to do a
That
random
makes sense.
comment picker, a Twitter picker, a shitter picker.
Oh man, don't have a Twitter, but yeah. How do I do a random comment picker, man? I'm new to YouTube, super new.
Okay, so you go to Google. And
Okay,
you type in
is that a
random.
website? That's a website, Google.
Here, let me just give you the link here, buddy. Random YouTube comment picker.
Thanks, bro.
Okay. Righty, I'm gonna send you the link here in the Discord there.
Sweet. Thanks,
Now,
man.
you tell your people to go to whatever video you want. The best thing to do is to like have them go to a video that's not a stream,
Right.
but whatever. I mean, it doesn't matter at the end of the day. You know what I'm saying? And you tell them go comment and like answer this fucking do whatever you want to do, and then
Right.
what we'll do is give your people the instructions. We'll go over how we do the spider lines, and then that'll give them time to do what they got to do. In fact, we'll both do it. So we'll both do a YouTube video on our own channels, so they get double the chance. So let me figure
Yeah.
out what video I want people to go to. You can figure out what video you want your people to go to.
Sweet, man. I've got a video right here. I found it on Google.com.
Let's take a look here. I don't really make videos anymore. All my shit, I read this comment. This guy's like, man, what happened to like the 10-minute videos? And people are like kind of giving him shit. I was like, damn, man, he's right. Because people work and shit. People have lives, and like they can't sit and watch my streams. And I kind of felt
Yeah,
bad.
man. I listen to your streams. when I'm out there, you know, working on the farm, I just listen. I'm in that position to listen.
I feel you, bro. I do the same. Okay, so, okay. So my video, for anyone who wants a chance at the Market Cipher giveaway, you're gonna have to go to my Ferrari stream earlier, the live prime Bitcoin trade entry in 4 hours. Go to that video, and whatever you say in the comment, just, it's gotta be, you know, I'm gonna leave it up to you guys to say what you want to say, but just because the comment picker chooses you doesn't mean you win. I gotta like what you say, and then you'll have a chance. So that's the video. This is the video for my people. Billy, why don't you go ahead and tell your people what video?
Yeah, guys, so there's a video, if you're already subscribed to my channel. It's called Create a Winning Market Cipher Strategy, Crypto Trading Strategy. And I think it's the video, like the featured video on the channel. Go ahead and comment on that video. And
Can
what I
you
have to,
pull it up on your screen so my people can see, and
Yeah,
you know,
for
your
sure.
people
Yeah,
can see
let me
the
do that.
video?
that's a great idea, man. That is a great idea.
Folks, this is Billy Casper.
So
by the way,
how do I share my screen on Discord? Is that what
I'm
we're
just
doing?
watching your stream on my stream, so just whatever you're pulling up on your stream, my stream, you can see.
Oh, my stream is still live right now?
I mean, yeah, you're streaming, aren't you?
No. No,
Oh,
I'm
you
not
turned
streaming.
your stream off? Why'd you turn
Yeah, I
your
cut
stream
the stream,
off,
bro.
bro?
I don't know. I guess.
I mean, did everyone from your stream come to? I guess I was at like 2300. I mean, all right, fine. I mean,
Well, I
you
can
know,
start.
I don't want to, you know. All right.
I'll start another stream then.
Well, I mean, you don't have to, but you know. All right, we'll just fucking. All right, let me go to your channel, and
Yeah, go to my channel. That's a good idea.
Let's see. I thought you were streaming, bro. I thought you were streaming.
No, I got scared for a second because yesterday I started streaming by accident, and everybody heard my private business.
Oh boy. Okay, let's take a look. See here. So I'm looking at your channel. Do I need to go to home here?
Yeah, go to home. Go to home.
Market Cipher tutorials playlist.
Yeah, go to that playlist. I have a lot of tutorials in there. If anybody's interested in
Is
some
it
detail.
create a winning strategy? Market Cipher strategy.
Yeah, man. Yep, this video right here. This video right here. Look at how professional that is. A notepad with
That'll work.
numbers on it.
All right,
That's legit,
so
right?
folks, you're getting a double chance. Jason Casper is the YouTube channel. His name isn't Billy. I just call him Billy. You know, sometimes you have names for your friends. This is Billy Casper. If you go to create a winning market cipher strategy, crypto trading strategy, stream strategy, and what do you want them to comment? Is there anything you want them to comment on the
Yeah, comment your max deadlift.
your max deadlift?
Yeah.
You
if
already
you've never
have
deadlifted before, then-
357 comments, so that's how we're gonna.
Wow. Is that too many?
Nah, who gives a shit? It'll make it fun.
Mm.
Because it'll be fun. It's fun to like click numerous, you know, stretches it out, so that's fine. So go to Billy Casper, Jason Casper, comment your max deadlift in the comments. You'll have a chance to win. On my channel, go to live prime Bitcoin trade entry in 4 hours, earlier streamed. Say whatever the hell you want, but better be good.
That was a good live stream, man. Short and sweet.
Mm.
You know.
Alrighty. Damn, this coffee's already gone. Let me go make another cup and we'll go over the spider lines. Billy, the floor is yours.
Oh, nice. Floor is mine. And I don't even have, you know, control of the screen. So, yeah, what's going on, y'all? I'm short. I'm sure most of you guys are short as well. And I'm just taking this level to level, daily level to daily level. And hopefully CryptoFace, when he gets back with his coffee, is going to be showing us these spider lines. I've seen his videos, but still hasn't clicked for me. It still has not clicked for me. So, yeah, and if any of you guys are interested, if you've never heard of my channel before, check it out. We've definitely got the way I use Market Cipher, the way I've come to use it and understand it. I have a lot of strategies on there that are actually pretty good. They have pretty good win rates. I back tested them. Some of them are like 85% win rate. So check it out if you're interested. And hoping y'all are commenting on this video. I'm gonna go check it out actually. Wow. I'm gonna see if the comments are going up on it. Let me see if the comments are going up. That's an old video. It's old. It's from February 16th. Man, that is an old video. It had 345 comments. Now it has 700 comments. Wow. Wow. When Market Cipher is on the line, people really like to comment. We have some good deadlifters in here. We have some good deadlifters. Somebody lost 50% of their portfolio. Yeah, Market Cipher will help that. Somebody deadlifted 5 pounds once. That's good. That's good. That's good. A lot of people can deadlift 0. Yeah, I was deadlifting this morning. Pretty fun. I'd love to do that. Yeah, I hope whoever gets this Market Cipher will really, take the time to learn how to use it. I mean, this thing will totally change the way you trade. If you know basic technical analysis, like even the most basic, support, resistance, trend lines, and you learn how to use Market Cipher, I mean, you're going to be way ahead of the game, way ahead of the game. It basically is taking the price action that's on the chart and translating it into a visual language for you, right? It's like sign language. It's like sign language, like those crazy, when you watch those crazy COVID-19 updates and you got the serious looking politician and then next to them is this crazy clown making all these faces and all. That's what Market Cipher is. And the regular price action is the politician who's just chilling out, trying to act serious, trying to pretend like, they care about people and stuff. But then Market Cipher, Market Cipher clearly does not care, right? Market Cipher gets right to the point with their facial expressions and hand motions telling you exactly when to long and short. It's pretty cool. It is pretty cool.
Oh shit. Hang on, I'll be right back. One more second, bro. I'm sorry. Oh shit, it's dumping even more. Hell yeah. Give me 1 second. I'll be right back.
I've got a lot of people. In the UK, the clown is the politician. Jason Ibrahim feels like I am an infomercial. And guys, that's actually not all. That is not all. If you win Market Cipher today, not only will you win your next trade, but I will throw in another winning trade for only $29.95. Okay, but you have to call right now. There's a ticker ticking down. I'm going to play some nice uplifting music for you guys. I'm going to show people smiling on the TV, living a nice quiet life with their family, right? Everything's fun. They don't have to go to work anymore because they got Market Cipher. They can finally do everything they wanted to do in their life. Jason Billy, what is channel name? Jason Casper. Jason Casper is my channel name. Yep, 3 easy payments of $29.95. And yeah, your life will change forever. Side effects may include death, heart attack, tooth loss, chronic diarrhea. But yeah, it'll totally change your life for the better. Talk to your doctor today about Market Cipher. And Crypto Willie B wants to know, what is the vid name? It has a very creative name. It's called Create a Winning Market Cipher Strategy, Separation, Crypto Trading Strategy. Now, a lot of people always say I come up with the most creative titles, right? The most creative titles. And I have to say, they are creative. I don't know how I come up with this stuff.
All right, buddy. Thanks for holding me up. Thanks for not stabbing me in the back like you did last time with that Wolfpack bullshit. Too. I appreciate. I was here the whole time. I was here the whole time. No, okay.
Sorry,
so,
bro.
No,
I didn't
no,
mean to
just
stab you,
kidding.
man.
Just kidding.
Stab you.
So before I go
I'm
into,
secretly a Wolfpack shill.
man, you can whatever works for you, buddy. It's like I said, I'm not some pencil neck that's like scared of other people having success. Like I'm the only one with all the fucking answers. So before I go into, so we're gonna go over from start to finish what spider lines are and how to draw them. Afterwards, we're going to give away 2 market ciphers. If you want to enter, the first way, so you go to Jason Casper's YouTube and you go to this video, Create a Winning Market Cipher Strategy, Crypto Trading Strategy. He wants you to comment your max deadlift. Is that what you wanted?
Yeah, sure. Max deadlift.
Max deadlift, okay? The second is if you go to my channel on a stream I did today or yesterday, live prime Bitcoin trade entry in 4 hours. Say whatever you want. Whatever you say, it better connect with me. Because if you get chosen, it ain't no guarantee that I'm going to give it to you. So, let's talk about how and what the spider lines are, how we draw them. And then we'll get to the giveaway. Okay, first I want to know, if you don't know how to do the spider lines or what they are, but you want to know, type 1 in chat, just so I know who don't fucking know and who's new here, who's new to it. 1 in chat if you don't know and you want to know. I need to put on slow mode. Okay. Activate this. Did we just dump more? Oh no, okay, it pumped. Okay. Alright, let me put on slow mode here. Okay. Here we go. Okay, let me open up a new chart. Actually, we'll just do let me just scrape this. Okay, so with the spider lines, first thing we're going to do is go to the weekly. And we're going to get rid of all our other indicators so we can clear it up. Oops. So there's 2 different spider lines. There's spider lines with the log scale right here, this little logarithmic button. Log is off. Log is on. We'll start with the log on. What we're going to do on this weekly scale is go to our little line thingy and choose ray, because it makes a straight line for us. Right? So it's a little easier. Okay? We can hit on any point, it goes completely straight. Where we are at now currently is starts somewhere around these candles. So what we're doing is we're starting our trend line at the top close of these candles, and we're laying the ray, we're laying the line on the very first full body close touch point. Boom. That's our first spider line.
This is hiking the sheet candles?
Start hiking the sheet candles. You can actually switch those both as well. So you can switch. You threw a curveball at me there.
Curveball.
But you could use them in a trend line's a trend line. So there will still be confluence and importance in gravitational orbital pulls. I believe I use Heikin-Ishi on both. I like Heikin-Ishi because it's more foundation. The Japanese that created the normal candles use Heikin-Ishi candles. They created it. It's just more foundation. It's more accurate, so I use Heikin-Ishi. So, boom. Starting at the top of the close, laying the ray to the first candle close that it touches. So there's our first one. Let's go to the next one.
How do you decide these starting points? Just random?
Well, just like any other trend, what do you normally do? Where do you normally start trend lines where do you normally start trend lines?
Anywhere, wherever they touch.
Anywhere? Do you just start it right in the middle of this candle anywhere?
No, you look for tops and bottoms. That's what I do.
Well, there you go, Billy. So we're starting from
Fancy.
the top. I'm sure you can do it from the bottom and draw some other trend lines, and you'll find some cool shit too. These ones, like I said, I'm sure there's other spider lines out there that are fucking magical. These are the ones I use, and the ones that have been working for me. So we start at the top closed candle on the weekly, back to before we dump to 3K. This was a significant time in Bitcoin, right? And we're laying it on this middle pivot point. Now, I did not discover this. I stole this. I don't want to say stole, because I've been saying it from day one. I saw someone else do it, but I took it to a whole nother level. So boom, okay, boom. So first off, we set those two. Now let's see where those are at and see if we're close. Okay, great. Let me change this color so we can not get confused. Okay, so what we're gonna do, since we see this line coming down, each candle to the left, obviously it'll be lower, lower, lower. So that's what we're trying to see right now. So now I'm gonna go to this left candle. Increase. It's a little skinny candle there. A skinny candle. Whoop. Oh, fuck. Really? It's just a trend line, folks. Just a trend line, okay. Hopefully you have a high DPI mouse. Whoop. Lay the ray. Whoop. Let's go ahead and change that color. Now we're gonna go to the next one. Folks, this is it. This is how you draw. It's not a part of Market Cipher. Everyone can do this. Anyone can do this. Just trend lines. Okay. Lay to the first candle close. Boop. Let's go ahead and change the color. Boop. Now let's take a look, see what we got here. So now, okay, boom, we're leaving the log button on. So let's zoom up here. Now let's go ahead and zoom in on a time frame. Bang. Boom. Okay. And then we'll keep drawing more. So this is on log. These are my spider lines. Let's draw. Let's keep going because we want to see the next level down, right? We want to see where this shit's going. So we're just laying it on the pendulums. Let's go to the next one. Okay, go to the top of the candle. Don't overthink it. It's just a trend line. That's it. Just laying a trend line. This was a crucial, important time. Okay, let's change the color. And let's do one more, because this is that's going to be a big difference too from that one to that one. That's some scary shit. Okay, lay it on the touch. All right, now let's have some fun and see where it goes. Let's zoom in. Boom. There's your spider lines.
Sweet.
Okay. Now this is on log. And we're going to do the same thing now, not on log, but our starting points from where they start are going to be different. So let's go ahead and I don't want to delete that, so I'm just going to open up another window. Does everyone get that? Yeah, it's real. It's a trend line. They're just trend. Okay. Here's the reasoning behind why I believe these have been so effective. Everything before 20K. So in December last year, if you go to my videos, there was nothing here. There was nothing here. This was all dark. We set our lines, I mean, all the way back, I was using non-log at first. And there is, everyone says, we're in uncharted territory. Who knows what's going to happen? No one's going to know. It's going to go fucking crazy, which it is going crazy. But I refuse to be a helpless loser. So, we drew trend lines. And since there's nothing else there, whatever is there, it's gonna hook on to. That's it. It's just a trend line. And there's nothing else that's uncharted territory. But now it is charted. This territory is no longer uncharted. It is charted. It's been charted. Go back to my videos in 2020 in December, November. We nailed the shit out of all these levels, okay? Now, let's do it again, but we're going to do it without log. Because when I started, I didn't use log. Log.
Nice, man. This makes a lot of sense.
Are you guys bored? Am I boring you guys?
These are some golden tidbits, bro. Golden.
I mean, I've made a shit ton of money off this in nailing levels. So, let's go back to Hikinashi. Take it off the log. Here we go.
Is this how you get those double lines when you do the log and then log less?
Yeah, so I believe it's the log less. Excuse me. No, it is the log has the double lines, I believe. Oops. One of them had the double lines. All right, let's go back here. Okay, so log off. Now, we have to find, again, which candles are going to be in our territory here. So, let's go to array. And these ones start somewhere down here. So the reason I actually tried switching to log is because this shit, you see this? It was getting hyphy and unbelievable, right? These lines. So back when we were pre-20K and shit, we were like, 50K, 30K, like, when is this not going to stop? When is this going to stop working? Because it can only get so tight pushed up. But it kept fucking working. And then log just extended it. So, okay, so where did this one end up here? Boom, okay. So we're in the right area. So we're going to keep going here. This darn thing's sticky, so it kind of messes it up. See how, like, trading view kind of screws it up because it, like, it keeps switching that shit on me. You see that?
Yeah, it's like locking in.
Yeah, so it kind of like fucks with me. Okay, boom. Now let's change the color. Okay, let's keep going. Over here. Oh, so here we go. Change that. Let's do one right here. Okay, now look at that. See, boop. See, now this runs into this candle, so it's like, oh shit. Did I do this without Hikinashi? I feel like I did this without Hikinashi. Hold on. Alright, let's go ahead and see what this looks like for now. And you just keep doing them. I mean, that's it. That's how you draw them.
Nice. It's interesting to see, you know, how you do it, and a lot of times they tend to line up with, like, they can predict, like, really strong support and resistance levels that will happen in the future. Like, right now, the spider lines you drew back in the day are lining up perfectly with, like, you know,
the whole way up.
Daily
Listen,
level. Yeah.
It doesn't matter. Anyone who says you think it's fake or you can draw random lines then. Just fucking draw your random lines from wherever, from some random point. If you're saying this is random and it's fake, you know, I'm the one driving the fucking Ferrari. You know what I'm saying? And my people, thousands upon thousands, are the ones who are buying new cars, buying Teslas, making 4 times their salary. Okay? It's, we don't care and don't need you. You need us. We are fine without you. Trust me. 10 in a row. 10. All these people. Anyways. She came right down on this short. Oh, what do you know? What do you know? We shorted here, boop, and we took profit right at this fucking spider line. And look where it bounced. Oh, is this fake? Is this hell of a coincidence? Hell of a coincidence, Billy.
That's crazy, man. That really is crazy.
All right, let me grab my coffee that's brewed, and then we'll give away the market side.
Yeah. Definitely am going to start drawing these spider lines. Guys, if you still don't know what video to comment on, if you go to my channel, you have to be subscribed to the channel to see it on the home. If you're not subscribed to my channel, you're not going to see it on home.
Alrighty.
Then you're going to have to search for it.
So yeah, like when I was in this short, when we got down that spider line, I closed half of it in case, because to me it was 50-50 if it bounces off or plows right through. Bounced off, half my trade, took profit, the other half, whatever. Even if it comes up and I gotta square it out, I don't give a fuck. You know, I'm in profit and I'll look to do it again. So,
yeah.
Alrighty. Class is over. It's time to go to the playground. So,
Sweet. I'm excited for whoever is going to be winning these market ciphers.
now, so when we choose a winner on the YouTube comment thing, they have to respond in the actual YouTube live chat with like their full Discord username fast enough so like a scammer can't make a new username and try to pretend to be them.
Right.
So you gotta like whoever, if you win, you gotta have your Discord full username ready to copy and paste in the chat so we can jot it down and then shoot you the code. Does everyone understand that? Everyone in the chat, you guys got that? Where is the chat? Okay. Alright, so we're gonna do yours first, okay, Billy?
Sure thing, man. I'm gonna just go ahead and do the.
Do the
Oh,
what?
are you gonna do it? Are you gonna do the random comment from my video, or should I do it on my end?
You can do it, and then you can like announce it. I mean,
It's probably better if you do it.
yeah,
then-
because we can see it. So I was
Yeah,
gonna say,
yep.
sure. Okay, so
Let's
here's
do
your
that.
video URL. Filter duplicates. Okay, get YouTube comments. Yeah, you had like 360 comments before. Damn, look at
Yeah.
you, Billy. Boy, that. All right, now you got 769. Okay. Are you ready?
Yep.
Here we go. Cam, my max. Damn, this guy's got an icon. My max deadlift is 405 for 3 when I weigh. This guy's the real deal. He said he can send you a vid. Cam, bro, type your full Discord username, copy and paste it ASAP. We're looking at the YouTube chat. We're waiting on Cam. I need you to keep your eye on the chat, bro. I'm trying to keep your eye on the chat so you can see Cam, because I gotta watch my trade too.
Yeah. Well, I don't know. Is Cam Auto 7239?
No, it's gotta be. It's the same. It's the same as his YouTube.
Oh, right.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh man.
Fuck, and on default, it's on top chat. We gotta like switch it to live chat in case he gets like muscled through. This is why I've been doing, cause I mean, look at this, dude. It's fucking insane. But I don't think anyone's seen him yet. Cam, you got like 30 seconds, bro. There he is. There he is. Okay, bro, that's. We need the four digits number after your Discord username, bro. So here, I'm gonna send you what he sent so far. It's AirCam23, but there's a 4-digit number, bro, after your username. We need those 4 digits. Copy and paste. Full Discord username. There's a 20-second slow mode on, so please, when you post your Discord, guys, I need the full thing, okay?
Oh, there he is.
All right, 1, 2, 1, 3. I hope this is right, so I gotta put the pound sign in. Let me see if I can add him. It's making this fucking hard on me. Oops. Friend request sent. All right. Okay, so I need you to. AirCam 20. All right, now I got him.
Congrats, AirCam.
Okay. I'm gonna send him the code. Okay. All right. One down. Let's look at the charts real quick, and then we'll.
We're retesting that daily support level right now. Wonder what's gonna happen there.
A lot of lines here. So that was my entry. So, yeah, man, we bounced right off the spider line, bro. Like, what are the chances? You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. That really is nuts, bro. That is nuts. Peanuts.
It's just a trend line, man. Like, everyone draws triangles and wedges every damn day. How come that ain't crazy? Head and shoulders. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Cup and handles. Like, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, this is revolutionary.
I know, dude.
This is revolutionary. Yeah, cup and shoulders. It's a good pattern.
Alright, let's see here. What's my entry? 52078. This puppy,
Yeah, sometimes
she's fucking bouncing. I might have to close this trade and wait for another prime entry.
Yeah,
This
it's
could
looking
be
like we
turning,
might
pinching here. Yeah, I'm gonna just take the money and be happy with that trade and take what the market gave me.
Good, man.
25K so far. Not bad for the start of the day. And the day's just getting started.
Very
All right.
interesting price action going on here. Looks like we're forming a pencil and neck pattern.
Okay. So now we're going to choose a winner from my video. Now, folks, listen. Please have your full Discord username copied, ready to paste. Case sensitive. And I have to like what you say for you to win. So if you get chosen, you say something stupid, don't get mad at me. You've been super helpful and informative. MC is a creation to be proud of, love and admiration to the heart to help others. This sucks, David. This sucks. We're re-rolling. David Shadracky, post your Discord username, brother. We're waiting on you in the chat. Congrats. Looking for David Shadracky. Shadracky.
Maybe it's Shadrake
Yeah.
or Shadrake.
Shadrake. Shazam. There he is.
There it is.
Okay. Let's see if that. Here's the final test. Bam! Accept the request. Thank you for making that easy on me. I really hate having to chase people down that win. Okay, let me shoot you the code. This is for a 5-month membership.
Oh, he says he already has Market Cipher, I think. That's what he said.
And now I gotta fucking. Let's see. Yeah, he does. Well, David, thank you for your kind words. I'm gonna put you in whale crew. Yeah, I'd love to join whale crew if possible. Or give the code to his girlfriend. I got you, bro. I'm putting you in whale crew. Congrats.
Hey, bro, you should put me in, bro.
Yeah, I'll put you in.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow. That's crazy, bro. That is nuts.
How long do you normally stream for, like in these mornings?
Usually about an hour or so. I try and keep them. Sometimes they go 2 hours. It depends on what's happening. I try to really answer a lot of people's questions and stuff. And we get a little bit. We wax wild sometimes. Get a little wild in there. That's crazy. So, I guess the way you get into Whale Crew these days is you have to get on a live stream with CryptoFace, then ask, "Hey, you should put me in Whale."
Man, I'm so folks, Whale Crew is closed. Don't fall for the there is a fake complete quote unquote Whale Crew Discord with the names of all my admins and shit, and they're pretending to be us saying send us 6,000 in Electronium bullshit wallet. Don't fall for it. Unless you
They're
hear
doing
me
that
say
in my
it here.
Discord too.
What'd you say?
I have people in my Discord pretending to be you, selling Whale Crew in my Discord,
Ugh.
and people fall for it.
Yeah,
It's
it
nuts.
sucks. And all these new people, like new in the space, the people that fall for it, God.
Hmm. It's crazy.
Yeah, so now we're in a potential new channel, and we'll see how Bitcoin acts in this new channel. And patiently wait for our next clear signal, although okay. Yeah. I think I did the right thing in taking the money. Exited half the trade right at the bottom. If you're losing, if you're in a loss streak, guys, right now it's I'm not gonna lie, man. It's a tough time to trade. Like if you don't have discipline, and if you flop and grope, you really gotta like don't be don't go into that kamikaze trading mode. Don't go into that kamikaze shit where you just pump your leverage, risk it, lose it, go into a kamikaze spin of depression, and don't do it. Walk away.
Some sound advice right there.
I was actually looking at this line as a potential bounce prospect. See, we had this yellow X here, came down, boop, and actually came up here. This one could be like, potentially.
Right.
Man, if we came up to here in the 54s, that would be prime looking for short territory, would be my assumption as of now, subject to change.
Yeah, for sure. I was actually trying to I was trying to long last night up to that exact level, but we didn't make it.
Yeah, man. Are you scared for Bitcoin macro right now?
I don't know, man. I mean, like we've been printing the bearish on those larger time frames, like the divergences and stuff. You know, I mean, I don't know. I like to think that we're going to continue in this bull cycle, but who knows? Like, really, who knows?
We got to $60,000.
I mean, that's high. That's a high price, man. We went
That's
from 3,000 to 60,000 in less than a year, right? About a year. That's insane.
I thought my like huge projection was May 2022 45K.
Wow. Maybe that'll still be it, man. Because
Does anyone have F2 pool? I'm sorry, I didn't mean to cut you off, bro.
it's all good in the hood, bro. I was just saying, Whenever this bull cycle ends, we're probably going back down to that, 30, 40K region, stay there for a while.
Yeah, I know 2017 went from 1K to 20K, but as it went from 50 cents to $1, it doubled. $1 to 2, it doubled. Like as the numbers get higher, like things become a little more realistic. F2 pool did start selling a bit more since yesterday. Yeah, I haven't heard anyone mention F2 pool like yesterday. Yeah, I'll have to hit up old BitBoy.
Yeah, good old Ben Armstrong, the man with the F2 pool info. I mean, March is usually a bearish month in general.
Is it?
Yeah.
And then what? Everyone isn't April bullish? They say.
Seems to be.
I think that shit. No, I think that shit's all made up. Oh, every fucking June, besides like tax season. But even this year, like, it was what happened to Chinese tax season. Like, we pumped for hell December, January. There was no Chinese tax due this year, was there?
Yeah, you're right. What do you think about the options that are expiring tomorrow?
I don't think anything of it. I only have so many like limits. I can only study and include so much in my. You can only put so many fruits into a smoothie.
Yeah, you're
until
right,
it turns brown.
Great analogy.
Yeah.
Yeah, what do you think about Bitcoin in the macro?
I think we topped, and I think shit's gonna hit the fan.
Yeah?
No, but I think so. What actually has me worried is the stock market, the standard markets, because I think that would drag us down. We gotta be overbought. We have to be overbought.
Yeah, I mean it's been a crazy run.
Yeah, I know. A week and a half ago, I was shooting for 70K Bitcoin. It could still happen. I am willing to fall on that sword. I'm man enough to say it that I got like 3 days left until I'm wrong about that one.
Yeah, I mean I was expecting this to come down to exactly where we are right now, about 2 weeks ago. About March 11th, March 10th, March 11th. I thought we were going to come down to this exact level, 51.6, 51.5-ish. But then we had that crazy weekend pump to the all-time high.
I mean, if Amazon came out, I feel like we needed Elon Musk tweet ain't gonna get us there. Like my reasoning behind the 70K. Where was it? What was I looking at? I feel like it was back here because this daily VWAP was coming up. Maybe even back here. And I was looking for some big news event that could push us there. But yeah, I mean, in 3 or 4 days, I think I'll take the notch, take the X, strike on that one, and I'm man enough to. But projecting and trading off the charts, how it is, shit don't go how you want it.
Yeah. You gotta trade what the chart tells you. Yeah, I should hit up my boy, my friend Jeff Bezos. I don't know if you ever heard of him.
Yeah.
But he used to work for Amazon, I think. But I'll hit him up, tell him to start investing in some BTC.
thought I was looking at the gold 6 hour for a second. 'Cause this is what kind of gold looks like on the 6 hour. These momentum waves are still deep. This could still diverge down to 47, and maybe there's hope. This is the 15-minute though. Fuck. Damn, I wish this was a higher time frame. Then there might be more hope. But you know, this shit changes in a day. Tomorrow, some bullshit. This could fucking pump, and we're back on the 70K train.
Yeah, I mean, there's a lot of people, investors who are just waiting for these lower levels to buy, like institutional investors. I mean, if now that Bitcoin is becoming politically correct for large businesses to hold their wealth in, nobody's going to be buying tops like this. You know, that's just not what people do. They wait for a low. So perhaps that could give us a nice bounce off of one of these lower areas.
Like 2 or 3 days ago, like kind of a friend, like an ex-person I used to work with, messaged me. They're like, yeah, Bitcoin, you know, dumped. Yeah, I bought some. I'm like, really, dude? Like, what are you expecting to buy and hold at fucking 55K and you double your money at 110, 120? Like, sheesh.
Yeah, it's not a great time, you know. Somebody I know just got into crypto, maybe like last week, earlier this week, and I was like, it's the very top. Like, it's not the best time to take out your 401k and put it into crypto. But then again, historically, anybody who's ever done that is in profit now. Well, maybe not. Not everybody. Those who did it at 60K.
For the people that are just joining, I closed my short. We made 25 grand, and we are waiting for the next entry now. We shorted the 30-minute. Anyways, we shorted the 30-minute. It came up to the spider line, rejected, came up. And when I saw the red dot and these blood diamonds, when that blood diamond rang, getting rejected against this spider line, I had to take it. Took the short. She cashed, came right down to the dollar to the next spider line. Closed out half, just in case it would bounce. To me, I thought it was 50-50 if it would bounce off or continue. In this case, it did bounce, and I closed the rest of it. 25K so far notched in today. You know, we've certainly done better and more profitable, bigger trades, but I actually really got to train myself to be happy with these smaller wins. Will I ever do deals on Market Cipher? It's marked 50% off as it is right now. I gotta take a leak. I'll be right back.
Dude Chill wants to know if I think this is really the top. I mean, the thing is about the top is nobody knows it's the top until hindsight, right? So, I don't like to think that it is the top, but I always have to keep that possibility in mind, right? I always have to keep that possibility in mind so I can always prepare for it, right? To shift the mindset to making money on the way down and going back into a sideways trading kind of bearish market. And if anybody wants to know what breed of chickens I have a lot. I have red comets. I've got copperneck Morangs. I've got Americanas that lay the blue eggs, and I've got chocolate colored eggs. All different colored eggs. It's nice, but it's all the same on the inside. It's kind of like people, right? We got lots of different colors, but on the inside, it's all the same. It's all the same for most of us. Some people have blue blood and they're alien shapeshifters, but I won't get into that. Someone wants to know if I hodl. Yeah, I'm a hodler. I'm a big time Bitcoin hodler, but at the same time, I do take profits when I'm in profit as well, because I can't go to the grocery store with a Bitcoin and buy me some organic raw goat milk.
That's another thing, man, is we are not anywhere close to normal adoption. This space is riddled with scammers, tricks, wallet bullshit. And the price is too volatile. Crypto is supposed to be a currency, not a store of value.
That's very true. I always wonder what will happen though, the way they are running the printing presses with the dollar. I mean, how long are those Eastern countries going to put up with the dollar being the world reserve currency? And if the dollar is no longer the world reserve currency, that will throw the entire world to economic chaos. And I just wonder, what effect would that have on Bitcoin and on cryptocurrency? Perhaps that could really catapult, maybe not necessarily Bitcoin, but blockchain technology into the forefront. And it just so happens that the Bitcoin infrastructure is already built, so it makes a lot of sense that world governments would build on top of what is already in existence. Then Bitcoin would end up being kind of like a digital gold, where people don't go around handing each other chunks of gold, but they carry these Federal Reserve notes that at one point in time represented a certain amount of gold that existed, unlike today where it represents nothing. So
Yeah,
I always wonder about that.
I think the Chinese would have the next currency.
Yeah, for sure.
Let me rephrase what I said about crypto being a currency, because everyone's got their panties in a knot. Bitcoin specifically, here's what I will say actually. It's great for large money transactions for sure. Like sending people money is such a bitch. Even smaller ones, just not grocery store. Like if you're trying to Western Union your grandma in another country, even $100, man, Bitcoin makes it a hell of a lot easier. Just it's there in minutes without a bunch of going down to the store and filling out paperwork. You can send 100K, 10 million. So, listen, I'm a fucking Chad, okay? Don't come to me for blockchain advice. I ain't no blockchain expert. I'm here to fucking trade it.
You're not in it for the technology?
Billy, you're trying to get me in trouble. I have enough pencil next to deal with, Billy.
My bad.
No, it's all good. Being in crypto, though, when I have to go to the bank to send someone a check and this shit I have to go through to send money, I'm like, no wonder this was created. It is difficult to send people money, and it's such a joke. Such a joke.
I agree. I bought a car a few years ago, paid cash, and getting that money out of the bank was like crazy. Felt like I was like a member of Al Qaeda
Yeah,
trying to.
yeah, like a criminal. And they make you feel, dude. When you go to the bank, you try to pull a bunch of money out. Like, we don't advise you to do this. What are you
Yeah.
doing with the money? What's it for? Well, go. Like, oh, God. Well, we have to order it. You got to call 2 weeks in advance.
Yeah, it's crazy. It's probably because they don't actually keep that much money in the banks. I think.
I would love to do a big transaction, pay in Bitcoin, and then that was the top and it dumps. Like, I'd love to buy a house or buy
Oh,
a
that would be
badass car
awesome.
right now in Bitcoin, and it's the top and it hella dumps.
Yeah, that would be awesome, man. That really would. I back in 2018, I kind of did that, but it was on a much lower scale because I put a down payment on a house in Bitcoin, and I got out right around like 17K,
On
and
you said
then
you put a down payment on the house
yeah,
in
uh,
Bitcoin?
no, I cashed out my Bitcoin.
Oh, got you, got you, got you, got you, got you.
Yeah, but then so you're saying literally buy it with Bitcoin and then it tanked.
Yeah, like give some asshole some Bitcoin for his house or a car. He's like, oh yeah, oh right, okay, Bitcoin. Telling all his girlfriends and friends, and like a week later, boom, it goes down like 20%, 30%, you know? And then you're clucking your heels like a leprechaun to the rainbow.
Yeah, it's crazy.
Folks, I enter $1 so I can see the realized P&L. My short is closed. I closed my trade. We made almost half a Bitcoin, 25k USD. Starting the day 25k in the green.
That's
And
legit, man.
yeah, man. What about your position? Are you still in it, or
No, no, I'm out. I got out.
are you able to make anything?
I got stopped out. I was not paying.
It's
I
all good,
wasn't
bro.
paying attention to it.
Dude, it's hard being around when like most of the time I'm not there when the perfect entry. Like you gotta kind of be lucky if you have a life. Um, honestly, I find that the action happens at night with Bitcoin, man. That's why I'm always up at night. But
Yeah, I
maybe
found that too, man.
that's just me.
I mean, most of the time, like when I'm trading, I have like an algorithm, not like a literal bot, but I look for certain confirmations, and that's when I enter. That's when I that's where I get the majority of my gains from. Like yesterday, we shorted. That was profitable. But then I got stopped out of a long, and now I got stopped out of a short. But I had tight stops, which is
Yeah, dude.
keeps me from losing.
Yeah, listen, man. This is not like these are not easy times to trade, no matter what anybody says. And I know, like, if I think I'm not trying to toot my own horn, I'm saying it's the most humblest way, but like, shit, if I'm saying it's difficult, if I think it's difficult, like, I know there's a lot of people kamikaze trading right now, flopping and groping hella hardcore every minute, every 15 minutes. Like, I know there's people getting sloshed around, and man, if you're one of those people, guys, in the chat, it's okay. We've all been there. I have taken my licks. Like, I've taken major fucking losses before. You just gotta walk away, and like everything gets better with time, and you'll forget about it. Like, you just don't kamikaze yourself. Walk away, man, for real.
Yeah, that's some serious advice right there. I mean, if you're not in the mindset to be trading, don't trade. That will ruin you fast. Even if you're tired, even if you're just not thinking right, Don't be entering trades unless you know for sure, like you have all your confirmations. If you're trying to regain losses, it's just a recipe to drain your account quick. I'll tell you that.
Yeah, and it's a lonely feeling, and it's like, dude, Bitcoin's gone up so much. Like, the name of the game is just to accumulate a little at a time. Flopping is a disease. We should start a Floppers Anonymous.
Put it in the Discord.
We're gonna make a 5-step program.
Should
Step
actually
your
do
ass
that.
out the door and, you know, what were you saying?
You should. We should actually make a 5-step program. How to stop flopping and groping. First step is admitting you have a problem.
Okay, first step is admitting that that you were flopping and groping.
Yeah, that's the first step. It's hard to admit sometimes.
You're damn right. Now what's step 2?
Learn some dang risk management.
Get a job.
Yeah, yeah, or start a business.
Sell the picks and the axes.
Yeah, yeah.
Close the laptop. Samuel, that's funny. Close the laptop. Go outside.
Yeah, feed the chickens. Pet the goats.
Don't ask random chats for trading advice. Reassess, were you confident in your moves? Like, were you confident in the move? Probably not.
That's a good one.
If you want to gamble, go to the casino.
Is selling feet picks profitable? Someone wants to know.
Is there any crypto news headlines today? Where do you go for your crypto, like, news?
I mean, Cointelegraph, CoinDesk. That's where I go. Or Altcoin Daily YouTube channel if you just want to get everything all at once in a nice little easily digestible video. Great place.
How long are those videos normally?
There's like 15 minutes.
What the hell is this? I don't want to see this Coinbase bullshit. Okay, Cointelegraph. This is the stupidest article title I've ever seen. The last dip is the deepest as wife leaves husband for buying more Bitcoin. Like, this is like a joke. A Reddit post revealed that a man's wife... Really? They're going off a Reddit post? That's the dumbest...
Where do you see this? Oh, I see it here. What the heck?
Wow, they're really stretching.
Well, it's your job to write an article. gotta do
Bitcoin
it.
Cash hits new low because Tesla snubs fork products. Jeez. Wow. No wonder why everyone's losing. And I need some water. I'll be right back.
XRP is pumping, so I hear. So there is a rumor. Check it out. Huh, look at that. Look at that. Interesting. I used to be really into XRP. I used to be really into trading Ripple over the summer and in the fall. When Ripple had that crazy pump. When was that? I guess back in like September, November-ish area. Yeah, that was crazy. I made so much on that pump. That was insane, actually. And I was trading the Bitcoin pair too. So that was crazy. But I've been kind of out of the Ripple game for a long time. Just doesn't interest me anymore as a asset. An asset, yeah. Doesn't interest me. Yeah, it's not a pump. It's not really a Ripple pump. It's moving up. It's moving up in price a little bit.
Alrighty. What are the pre-markets doing here? S&P falls slightly. Yeah, man, I'm telling you.
Yeah, it's going to be a rocky time. Just in general, the next decade is going to be very rocky. Economically. Good time to start a farm, y'all.
Really? You think so? With all the political shit against the farmers? I don't know about it all. I mean, are you talking about a farm for your own damn self?
Yeah,
or?
yeah. For your own self. Yeah, time to get self-sufficient. Like,
Oh,
you know,
yeah.
produce your own food, have a water source, learn how to do things the way humanity did it for, 5,000 years before all of a sudden we forgot how to live without technology. If something goes down, we're all screwed unless we know those skills. It's crazy. Crazy to think how we've forgotten what everybody did as part of normal life just to live. We've totally forgotten how to do that in general. Yeah, off grid, baby. Off grid. Yeah, but I'm not a prepper, Matthew. I'm not a prepper. I'm not prepping. Preppers, they prep for one event to happen, and then after their freeze-dried food runs out, they're dead. But it's all about self-sufficiency, sustainability.
Yeah, that's kind of like my next project. I want to get like a house in the middle of the fucking mountains or woods or something and be like you, Billy.
You should, man.
Self-sufficient.
Yeah,
Farming.
you should do that. Yeah,
Dude,
you could plant a whole field of Bitcoin.
I love watching A5YU beef videos. I was
A5 while you beef?
I would love to buy a Wagyu cow and made it with like a North American cow, because the Wagyu's like butter, and if you breed it with a normal cow, it's the perfect blend of ultra flavor, but still with that good old steak.
Nice, man. That would be legit. I have yet to venture into the bovine field. Like, it's just such a huge investment right now to get into cows, but chickens and goats are nice because you can eat them and you can get the milk.
Yep, I had a goat before when I was little. They ram you to play too. They ram.
Yeah. We got any vegans in the house? I feel like we got vegans in the house. What do you feel about veganism, CryptoFace? You have any opinions?
Oh, it's cool. Their poop stinks. Don't shit in my toilet if you're a vegan. And,
Well,
don't shit in my toilet.
It
But
smells like when you cut the grass and you let it sit out in the sun for a while.
I feel like it smells worse. It smells like baby poo.
Someone says, oh, no, I can't say that. Yeah, I'm a vegan and a meat eater also, just like Woodman Tiller.
Yeah, I mean, I got friends that are vegans.
Yeah, I mean, all
One or
respect.
two.
I wish I could be a vegan. It's a lot cheaper and easier, but I tried it. I was vegan for like 6 months. I got sick.
Let's take a look, see here. So we are... Yeah, I'm not longing this downtrend right now. We nailed a beautiful, beautiful little scalp short. Exited half right at the spider line. Then exited the remaining half up here somewhere. And just gotta wait for the next clue on when we're confident. This yellow X confirmed on the Heiken-Ashi on the 2 hour. That is confirmed. So that is alert. Don't know what the fuck's gonna happen, but
Yeah, that's an intense signal right there on the 2 hour.
last time it happened, it was a bottom. That's a good sign. On the
That is a good
Heiken-Ashis, on the normal candles, a bottom. That was the one just a few days ago. Price did go up 6%. But actually, man, if this is a beginning of 2X's, that means that this could mean. Typically, I want to see them closer together and not have this big space, but they're right in that range where these could be the first two of a deadly dump X's, but I cannot confirm. And this is danger. This is stranger danger. Stranger danger.
Huh. That is crazy, bro. If it ended up looking like the gold 6 hour. Oh, those are...
These blood diamonds, bro, on the 30-minute have been money lately. Money.
The what on the 30-minute?
Blood
The
diamonds.
blood diamonds? Yeah. Yeah, look at that. It's nuts.
I will never reveal my concoction of what makes the yellow X because for so long before market Cipher was as popular as it was now, everyone said that it was impossible and that this indicator can't exist and that I'm full of shit. But it exists. And it's real. It is the whale manipulation alert. Leading indication.
Top secret, highly effective.
There are some indicators on Market Cipher that are slightly touched and adjusted. There are others that are completely created. The yellow X is a complete creation from start to finish.
Bro, I've got a an issue with some of my animals. I gotta head out, but thanks for having me on the stream, man.
Thanks for staying, dude. Yeah, man. Thanks for coming on, and we'll do it again soon, man. And way to go, Billy. You're the fucking man. I'm happy for your channel, bro. 1,000 viewers steady. So
Bro,
way to
thank you,
go,
man. I
bro.
appreciate it, and thanks for putting me in well crew, bro. I appreciate that too.
You're welcome,
And
man. I'm looking forward to having you in.
and bro, may the Lord bless you. May Jesus bless you.
God
And
bless you
everybody
too.
here.
All right, see you, Billy.
Thank you, brother. All right, peace.
Later. Yeah, good dude. I exited my short. We made 25 grand. We exited right on the dollar on the spider line. Nailed this exit for half the trade. To me, it was a 50-50 coin toss. If we bounce off of it, because it is a spider line, or go right through it, it bounced off and closed the remaining amount of the trade, so we're good. So now we wait for the next one. I already did how to do the spider lines earlier in the stream. I have a video I made 2 or 3 weeks ago titled How to Draw Spider Lines. You can look it up, it's explained there. Brian, it's a Novitec and Largo 480. Jason Casper is his channel. He's got 40k subs. Jay. Oh yeah, what's up with ETH? We said that shit was gonna dump. Did it dump? It had to have. Oh wow. Not that much. Not that much. Was it at 1,700 yet? I don't remember what the... Was it at 1,700? I guess it did. Yeah. When was it did we say it was going to dump? I don't remember. I haven't been paying attention to ETH. Yeah. I think we're going to call it a stream. We had a good chunk of information. Beautiful trade. 25k to start the day. I think that's it, folks. I'll see you guys later, maybe. Peace. And don't listen to these damn pencil necks in the chat after I leave. My short is closed. Made 25k. Yippee-yi-yo-ki-yay.